going on, guys? Got a GE refrigerator, and the problem is the refrigerator part is about 57 degrees, but the freezer part is working just fine. This is our office refrigerator, and I got all the shelves pulled out, about to pull out the bottom here, and the problem is the evaporator fan, so we're not getting any cool air up here in the fresh food compartment. So we'll pull this drawer out. And if you look back here, you can see where it's all iced up. So we'll have to break away that ice, and we're going to take out these couple of screws across here, pop this cover off. This is where the harness is for the fan motor. There's our fan motor, and then it's right up inside here, just slides up in. So let me get all this unmounted here, take the screws out, and we'll pull this out here. I believe there's screws. Yep, got one there. Melt this ice, get all this out here, and replace the fan. Alright, now so we'll take out this screw, this one, pull up this top piece. Got the wire harness there. There, and another one over here. Okay, we got this side pulled out and took out the screws across the top here. Got the top piece here, the harness unplugged from that top piece that went across. And with this side here, just slide this forward so this little round thing here comes out to the bigger opening. Let's see how hard it comes out here with being frozen. Alright, now this, tilt this forward. Alright, we got the harness out. I just want to pull the motor out. Okay, there's our old motor. And you want to take this rubber boot off. And then we'll put that on the new one. So we'll get the new one prepped. Alright, here's our new motor. GE WR60X29099. And that motor will go in there with the wires facing out, and we'll just go ahead and put the harness on, or the cover. Okay, we got the new fan in here, got the boot on it, and we got it plugged in. So we'll just slide it in here, and then we'll just fish these wires back in there, and then we'll tuck these back into this clip back here. Alright, now we'll plug it back in. Now we got to give it a minute here to load up. It's really about 20 seconds or so. Once the board starts, or the screen starts up here, then our fan should kick on. All right. Can hear the fan running. And now we just gotta get the drain open here. It's all iced up down here at the bottom. So we'll just melt that ice. Got my heat gun here, so we'll just melt all that, clean up the water, and we'll put it back together. Alright, we got the drain all opened. Now we'll go ahead and plug this fan in. Make sure each side here clips in. Now we'll put the screws back. Alright, now we got the back panel on, put the side on. You want to make sure this is the roller. Comes out on this side, so you want to line up this again and then smack it backwards. Okay, and then you want to do the same on this side, except this one over here you want to feed the wire harness through it. Alright, got this one back in, and then the screws go right back in there. There's a 1/4" screw in there, and same thing on this side right here. And then you want to leave your wire harness coming up through this opening so we can plug in the other harness. Alright, so next you want to put this piece back. Set that there. And then we'll grab this piece. This is the one that's going to go here. Plug this back in. There we go. Go ahead and stuff those down in there. Just like that. And we'll put our 2 screws back on each end. Alright, got our screws in. Now we'll put this cover back. Okay, and now we'll put the shelf back in. Alright, got it all back together. Everything's working. Got good air blowing out the vent. Alright, that's replacing an evaporator fan and a GE French door refrigerator. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.